Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Browey 3-in-1 fast charging cable. Made of soft silicone, has alloy connectors, charging indicator, and it comes with a leather strap. Now let's get this thing unboxed and see if it's worth it. Okay, right away we're just going to get the package open and see what's in it. Wow, got a nice cool looking orange cable there. Nothing else in the box. Okay, removing this out of the bag, and there is our 3-in-1 charging cables. You got USB-A on one end and 3 different cables on the other, and they're all made of zinc alloy. The cable length is 4 feet, and you actually have a leather strap included to tie everything up. Very cool. Looking at the cables here, we have our lightning cable for iPhones, we have a micro USB cable for older USB devices, and a USB-C for newer devices. So you got whatever you need, all 3 in one. Never need 3 separate cables anymore. It's made from silicone materials. You can actually wrap it around. It's very tough and rugged and feels good to the touch. You have 60-watt fast charging with USB-C only. And the cool thing about this cable, you can also charge all 3 devices at once. Your fastest speeds will be on USB-C, but the other devices charge at normal speed as well. And you also have a green indicator light that goes right on the connector so you know when there's power. And there you have it. All 3 phones are charging at the same time. And just note, the USB-C is not compatible with the new iPhone 15. Okay, so we're going to test it again. This time we're just going to go plug directly from the USB-A into 3 different devices to check if they charge as well. So we have a router that's charging, Apple AirPods that are charging, and a Ring doorbell that's charging as well. Fantastic product. Okay everybody, that was a Browey 3-in-1 fast charging cable. See you later.